All right, language explorers, let's look at this Friday idiom. A crybaby. Yeah. Wah, wah, crybaby. Someone, or sometimes something, yeah, that cries or complains, whinges and whines. Oh, he did this, he shouldn't have done that, but he always does this. I want that, I want it. He does it and I don't do it. No, I don't see what is this all about? Why not? Why is it cold? Why is it so far away? Cries, complains and whinges and whines without a good reason. It's like, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? He did it, so I want to do it. But it always does the thing. I don't understand. It's too heavy. I don't want to carry it. It's too tiring. No, I'm tired. I'm thirsty. Such a crybaby. Do it yourself. He is such a crybaby. Can't he do it himself? He is such a crybaby in the morning. Yeah. Sometimes she can be a crybaby when she does not get what she wants. Yeah. Don't be a crybaby. Oh, don't be a crybaby. Man up. Do it yourself. Do it yourself. Figure out the answer for yourself. Don't be a crybaby. Sort it yourself. Don't be a crybaby. Yeah. She thinks he is a crybaby. He is a crybaby when he does not know what to do. She can be a crybaby because she complains a lot. Oh, complaining. Something's wrong. This is too big. That's too small. It's too expensive. It's too cheap. It's too heavy. It's too light. Wah. Oh. Yeah. So, language explorers, can you use crybaby in a sentence? Comment below in the sentence and like the video. Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian. English with Adrian. And searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, you can find me Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. And English with Adrian on YouTube. And Facebook, yeah. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.